Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate an Android application to you, and it is a multi-tabbed application. You just take a look at the app now. Okay, so yeah, it's basically a task scheduler application. So we're going to insert some. So all these are fragments, one fragment for each month of the year, and this is a tab layout which holds all the tab items within the months, and I can swipe to move the next tab, or I can even select on the tab layout to go to the next tab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some data in January, like by note and call Alvin, for example. I made 2 entries in Jan, and say in February I'll put meet Robin. Okay, and I add that goes on to the list view there. And here on my previous place where I put Alvin, call Alvin here. If I want to delete an entry, say for example I finished buying my notebook, so I want to delete that entry, I'm going to do the position and I'm going to hit delete, the delete button. Now again, position 1 has call Alvin, I'm going to hit delete and it's going to go off. So basically this is our app, it's going to schedule tasks for us. I'll just show you the code. Okay, we're done with that. Fine. In our main activity, what I've done is I've created a tab layout. In the tab layout, it's going to hold tab items such as the months of the year. It's going to hold all of that. And then there is something called the view pager. The view pager enables us to swipe between the tabs. Okay. We're having a small glitch there. Yes, that's all. Now I'm going to show you how I'm scrolling. See, in my tab layout, when I give scrollable, that's when you'll be able to see. Just a minute. That's how you'll be able to see this scroll, this tab layout scroll. Alright. So yeah, this is our main activity. So our main activity just holds the tab layout and the view pager. Okay, so this is our code here. So tab layout, I'm finding them on the XML page, and I'm creating an adapter called my adapter. That's basically a separate class in which I have added all the fragments. Basically, I have created a few fragments, one for every month of the year, and I'll tell you about them later. So all these fragments I'm putting into my adapter, which when clicked on will return that fragment. So that's the use of this my adapter class. What I'm doing is I'm going to return the tab count and the position. When it's clicked, it's going to show up. So that's what happens in my adapter, and that using the object of view pager, I'm setting that adapter. Alright, and on page change listener. So this is what's going to happen. So this view pager dot on page change listener is going to listen to this tab page. The change in the tab. Alright, and it's going to change accordingly. Okay, so this is basically. So I'll show you in fragment what I've done in fragment. So the fragment basically contains the list view. It also contains the add and the delete button. So when I click add button, it's going to get the data from the edit text, and it's going to populate that onto the list view. And here, that's how it's displaying here. So when I click the add button, it's going to populate it on the list view using the array adapter. Okay, and same as well for delete. It's just going to take in the position of the item which has to be deleted, and when I click the delete, it's going to get deleted. So basically, this is our application. Thank you for watching the video.